How to use white sage to get rid of negative energy. Have you had the feeling lately that something is off? Or do you maybe feel that there is some sort of negative presence lingering around? Do you feel quite drained, tired, and lacking energy? Or restless and irritable? Not feeling quite like your usual self? But not able to identify what's going on? Everyone experiences these negative energies differently, whether it be mild, moderate, or severe. So it is very important to cleanse yourself and your environment with white sage both at home and work, so as not to be affected by these negative energies and to maintain peace and balance. So in this video we are going to share some steps to use white sage to get rid of negative energy. As you smudge your space more frequently, you will, no doubt, start to get into your own ritual rhythm with variations on the words you use and the motions that you take. First, open as many windows as possible. Light the candle, hold the unwrapped end of the white sage smudge bundle over the flame, you want it to smolder. Blow on it a few times to ensure that the center is well lit. Hold the bowl underneath the white sage bundle at all times to catch the ashes that will fall off from time to time. Smudge yourself and your chakras. Simply hold the white sage smudge bundle and bowl together in front of you, starting from your feet, and slowly move it up your body. Then, hold the white sage smudge and bowl behind your back, at the base of your spine, for a few seconds, to ensure that the smoke goes up your back. Try to envision healing white light around you, and the smoke cleansing you of all negative and stale energy. Go to your front door. Gesture around all of the seams of the door, and state aloud, "I clear this space, and everything in it, of any, and all negative, or stale energy." Begin moving along the wall of your house, to the right of the front door. Repeat the phrase above as you go along. It is not necessary to spend time covering the whole wall with white sage smoke, just move slowly along the wall. As you encounter windows or other doors, be sure to seal the entire frame with the white sage smoke and linger a few seconds longer in corners where excess stale energy tends to be caught. Continue around the perimeter of your house until you are back at your front door. Reseal it with the white sage smoke again. At this point, you have neutralized all of the previously negative, lingering, or stale energy in your house with white sage. Light the incense with your candle and allow the flame to go to a smolder on its own, ensuring that it is smoking and did not go out. Now you can either go around the house again, as before with your incense, declare that the smoke from this incense fills this house and everything in it with vibrant, healthy, new positive energy. When you are finished, ensure that all of the incense sticks are out by dipping them in water before disposing of them. Put out the smudge bundle by placing the end under running water. It will sizzle. Before putting out your candle, thank the universe for helping you to cleanse your house. Then put it out. Keep the windows open as long as necessary until the smoke has cleared. You have done it. Take a moment to feel your house. Doesn't it feel much lighter? Try to get in the habit of smudging your house on a regular basis. Remember that any high emotions will leave an energy print, which affects every person who comes across it. Smudging regularly clears these hot spots. So, really cool information, isn't it? I hope you really enjoy this video. If you have been feeling any negative energy lately, please share your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Happy enchanting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.